Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what you should do before the first use of your Electrolux washing machine 700. So in the first step, turn on your appliance, make sure that you have connected properly the water supply, the water drying pipe and the electricity. In the next step, open doors of your appliance and remove everything from inside. Leave the drum empty. Then open your detergent drawer and to chamber number 2, refill it with the 2 liters of water, the biggest hole here. Your washing machine should start unpumping this water, so add the small quantity of detergent here, then close the doors. In the next step, set the sorry about that, it's a came out, I think. Let's turn it on again. Set the cotton with the maximum temperature of water, the 90 degrees, and start the cycle with empty drum and small detergent in the chamber number 2. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.